let's see how the machine works. Firstly, adjust height fixer based on tube diameter. The metal tubes will be lifted up and across height fixer and transmission rails. Then the tubes will be passed on to the variable diameter support wheels and clamped by the chuck to feed into cutting area. Now we can enjoy the laser bevel cutting function for more smooth welding. Zero tailing function can help you to save materials at the most. After cutting, the tube will be transferred to the unloading system and passed to the collection platform.